Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DocuSign with Zapier for AI contract summarization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect DocuSign with Zapier for AI contract summarization, start by logging into your Zapier account. Click on the Make a Zap button to begin creating a new workflow. In the Triggers section, type DocuSign into the search bar and select it. Select the trigger event that suits your needs, such as New Envelope. Connect your DocuSign account by clicking on the Sign in to DocuSign button. Follow the authentication prompts to allow Zapier access to your DocuSign account. Once connected, customize the trigger by selecting the envelope status you want to monitor. Test the trigger to ensure Zapier can pull in data from DocuSign. Next, move to the Action section by clicking the Add an Action button. Search for the AI summarization tool you intend to use, such as OpenAI or another summarization app. Select the appropriate action event that allows for text overview creation. Connect your AI service account by signing in and authorizing access. Map the fields from the DocuSign envelope to the input fields in your AI service. Include any specific instructions that the AI should follow for summarizing the document. Test the action to confirm that the integration is working smoothly. If the test is successful, name your Zap and click Turn on Zap to activate the workflow. Now, every time a new envelope is created in DocuSign, the AI will summarize it automatically. You can monitor the Zap's performance in your Zapier dashboard for any issues or adjustments required. This enables seamless contract summarization between DocuSign and your AI tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.